Offering a world-class lifestyle that is second to none and located at the world-renowned PGA West, the Collection at the Residence Club features 12 new full ownership homes. Located in an exclusive gated community, these magnificent properties feature an emphasis on indoor-outdoor living and are built with the highest quality materials. With over 3,500 square feet of luxurious living space, these homes are designed with resort-style living in mind and can be customized to meet your specific needs. Highlights include expansive great rooms that feature floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors and are perfect for entertaining. The dual master suites and a casita with a separate entrance allow for loads of space, comfort, and privacy. And maybe best of all, spacious backyards that include a modern pool and fire pit to enjoy the warm desert days and cool evenings all year long. More special features include full security packages for doors and windows, quartz countertops, Kohler plumbing fixtures, quality Bosch and Thermador appliances throughout, wet bar featuring Marvell stainless refrigerator and wine cooler, porcelain tile floors throughout, upgraded wall-to-wall carpeting in bedrooms and closets, LED lighting, 3 separate zone AC systems, and exterior features that include authentic clay tile roofs and a swimming pool spa with mini PebbleTech finish and accent lighting. And there's so much more. The owner's private clubhouse is the perfect place to entertain and meet new friends. Relax on the lounge or head outside to experience fabulous views, inviting seating areas, and a refreshing pool with 2 lap lanes. There's also an ultra-modern fitness facility and 3 putting greens to help perfect your game. With more than 350 days of sunshine a year, the Palm Springs area truly is paradise. The Collection homes are just minutes away from world-class golf, tennis, dining, concerts, art festivals, and so much more. Finally, homes at the Residence Club are expertly managed and maintained so you can arrive and enjoy the lifestyle of your dreams. With our 5-star service, you'll enjoy a bellman, housekeeping services, grocery delivery, and concierge. Call us today to find out how the Collection at the Residence Club can make your desert lifestyle dreams come true.